why is it on the trailer?
Why is it on the trailer?
I don't know. Do you like it in there?
Wait, you're not a chicken?
I have blood on my leg.
Yeah. If you were a chicken, you'd eat it. Did you know chickens eat bugs?
Yeah.
Yes.
You're a chicken?
Can you lay an egg now?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
What are you doing?
You trying to lay an egg?
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you do to lay an egg?
Make the crack and make it open.
Crack and open?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're having an exciting evening tonight. We're going to pick up our very first farm animals. Of course, we already have Poe and our cat Freddie, but we are getting chickens this evening. They're getting given to us by an Instagram friend. I had to come in here to wake up Levi, and it seems to be working. Hi, Levi. Did you get a good rest? You're still waking up. So it's a little bit of a drive up into Washington, and we're going to go visit her farm and see her animals and pick up our 4 chickens. Go check out Coffee Makes Life over on Instagram for all kinds of great farm content. So much fun stuff. Getting the tour.
Oh, I see cows in there.
Cows?
Yes.
Maybe goats. What do you think, Levi?
Those are going to be our chickens.
And they'll grow their beards back.
Ooh, your little horse. What's the horse's name?
Have they been hand-fed or hand-raised by stall, or are they?
Yes.
So they're pretty sociable.
Yes.
We're hoping to get goats next.
Yeah.
Oh, are you?
So are
Yeah.
those-
So
are
he's
those
been doing
like
tons of
goat breed?
research.
These are mini Nubians.
Okay.
This,
They seem smaller than I've read boar goats will get.
correct. They're definitely a lot smaller than
He's
your
singing
boar
to you.
Yeah.
They sound like such in distress. Like,
I've heard geese are pretty mean.
Yeah. Well, come here, Levi.
dairy goat conferences and
So he's a weather.
yes. And this mostly brown with the white glaze is a weather.
Yeah.
As a like hammock, like a backwards hammock thing that you can back them into. This is my next goal. You can back them into and then put them borderline on their backs so that they're.
Yeah.
What do you think of that?
Be calm, Levi.
Yeah, be calm. He scared you? I mean, she scared you? Yeah.
Would you like to see other types?
Yeah.
The hill?
Sure.
Mom,
Oh my goodness, more chickens! More chickens! What do you think of that? Good.
Wow.
They want to get out.
Scare him back, Levi. Scare him back. No.
Whenever Levi wants to scare something, he roars at it.
Don't get out.
But that's part of why I wanted this breed, is that they're so friendly.
They are super friendly.
They like these flowers.
Oh my gosh.
They're very friendly.
I like to grow chickens. Chickens feel nice.
Oh, well, that's
It's your life from now on, Charity. Aww.
I found a little wheel.
You found a little wheel?
You're right here.
Oh yeah.
What is it for?
It's for when this needs to roll. Sometimes they move it.
Yeah, they keep them separate. One up here. Guys. Mama, that dog chicken.
You want to look at those chickens?
Yeah.
Yeah. We might go up there in a minute.
Here. Look at those ones. Mama, those ones around there.
Those ones around there?
Yeah, round.
They're around there. Yeah, there they are.
Whoa, look at those ones.
Are there some over there in that one?
Yes. That one has no one.
Oh, it doesn't? Maybe it's empty. Yeah, it could be.
kids, but I have the ambition.
These are my absolute pride and joy. These are my Cornish bantam.
Oh.
Those Cornish game hens you get in the grocery store, that's them.
Wow.
And they're like little
They're so cute.
meatballs. What they say?
What, you can hold them?
Oh, sure.
Especially is very good.
You're going to learn how to hold chickens, Renee.
Aw, he's so nice. I want to hold him.
Aw.
That's so
You want to pet her very carefully, Levi?
Very carefully, just like Daddy. Do it like Daddy.
There you go.
Whoa, they feel soft.
So pretty.
Are pretty.
That's enough of that.
Yeah. Enough socialization.
I want to try holding them. Maybe you'll like me.
Yeah, hold underneath, girl. Underneath.
She's a real two-hander, that one. You have a hold of her.
Good job, Renee.
Good job.
Wow. You're doing it.
Great day. Absolute great day. You want to put it back? Okay. Fantastic, though.
Which one's
Well, Talia made a new best friend.
These two darker.
Keep her
the
now.
two darker ones?
Oh, my goodness, child.
These are definitely wilder.
Oh.
Oh.
Well, they're ready to go.
One came out. It's okay. She can come down.
They come down.
They like to stay together, so.
She's so pretty.
Yeah.
What?
That's like the classic chicken walk right there.
Yeah.
That is amazing. That
Yeah,
strut.
these guys are a lot flightier, but
Penguin. There's no penguin here.
Do you have penguins on your farm? Levi is wondering.
Cal, come help us get them in the box. Get one in. Alright, keep your hand on top like this, Cal. Like that. Keep it there. Nice. Put your hand out, Cal.
That is poop. Yeah, please don't step in it.
don't touch it either.
What the poop toad?
You
It's
are
just
a
poop.
nice spy champion.
Yes. His favorite thing now is to say, "What is that called?" And then you tell him, and then you said, "And what does it do?"
I'm the dog poop.
Someone
It's probably goat poop.
We'll get it.
You're gonna ride in the Honda because that's where your car seat is. We're excited.
Well, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Have so much fun with them.
We will. We'll take good care of them.
Nutrition.
We will. Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, Charity, Renee, come here.
I have no shoes on.
Okay.
I'm ready. Get out.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, Freddy's like, dinner time.
So here is our new chicken coop. Jeff has some modifications that he has planned to make, like putting a window on the other side so there's more light and so we can see in. But we got nesting boxes over here. He's going to add dividers for the nesting boxes. I think Charity's in there. There's our chickens. Charity the chicken. Yep, you can't come out. Sorry. Charity decided to hang out with the chickens for a little bit, so she's in here.
I touched it.
No, you did, huh? So today is the first day. We've had them for not quite 24 hours yet, and we've already gotten 3 eggs. So one from each of them, one from each of the big ones. We have 3 that are a little bit older, and then there's 2 in here that are younger that we can't put with the bigger ones yet because they'll fight. So we're going to figure out how to keep them separated and then get them acclimated to each other.
I'm gonna toss it right over there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, they got it. Oh, they like that. So it's a sucker
Hello.
by you.
What was their favorite so far?
I think it was the banana peels.
Yeah, they like that a lot. Levi found them a slug this morning, and they thought that was pretty great too.
Yeah, that was, I think it was the slug and the banana peels were the second.
Yeah.
And then the potato peels were third.
Yeah.
Apples were fourth, and whatever, that green pea was their fifth.
Oh, okay. Well, we feel like bona fide farmers now. We got our garden going, so I harvested some green beans this morning. We came and took care of the chickens. Definitely feeling the farmer vibes.
What did you do?
It poofed, and it's a she.
What did she do?
Everybody keeps saying he when they're talking about the chickens, and we keep saying nope, they're all she.
Hi, little guys. Oh my goodness, you're so tiny. Oh my gosh, what the heck? Oh my gosh. First time I ever fed them out of my hands. Oh my goodness. Hey, how about you let the other guys have a turn in the apple? How do you eat this, okay?
Yep. All right, chickies. Welcome to freedom. I mean, a little bit of freedom. Oh, isn't that exciting? Be brave, be brave.
Here's a big one.
You wanted to get out so bad. Maybe it's too close to bedtime. They're all like, oh, it's time to go in now.
Come on, show me.
There. Did it. Oh, so brave.
One small step
For chicken.
for chicken. One giant leap for Squatternush Farm.
Oh, if one is brave enough, the rest will soon follow. Oh, what happy little chickens. See if the little ones come out. They're really checking it out.